which is year, month, day, right? Okay, so just to get that out of the way. Okay, so like we said, for OpenAI, we have to send something to this endpoint. So we're going to save this as a variable. And for strings, it has to be between quotes. There you go. And also, we're going to need a token. Your OpenAI token, you're going to get this in your OpenAI account. We're not going to fill this in for now because we're recording. I'm going to do this off screen, but I'm going to save it into this variable here. Okay, so the next step, we have the where we want to send the information to, and then we have the token. So if you look at the structure here, we have the requests, and then the request is connected to a category, right? And the policy itself is inside this category, right? So it's in this field here, policy. So I'm going to have to fetch this information. So I have the connection, but I have to fetch the information inside the record, right? And I'm going to do this with native methods of list records, which is basically a search, right? So I'm just going to copy and paste this and explain to you guys what's it doing, right? So first of all, I'm going to define a filter. A filter is the conditions of the search. So I'm going to search for something that has these values, right? So I'm going to go, so first of all, I'm going to search in this table, which is the table for the policies. So I'm going to open this, just show you guys.